Welcome to Zeacom's solution demonstration of ZCC or Zeacom Communication Center on the Lync 2010 platform. Now, Zeacom has a 17-year history of contact center expertise with developers, implementation and support engineers, sales consultants, as well as training staff, all experienced in contact center industry requirements. We really pride ourselves on the types of conversations that we can have with call center managers right across the globe for any type of contact center, whether it be a 5-seat call center to a 800-seat contact center. We combine that with a history of interacting with various Microsoft components for enhanced contact center operation. We foresee a Zeacom Microsoft partnership being an effective and profitable relationship. Now, Zeacom Communication Center was developed originally by an ex-contact center manager to enhance the basic telephony platform for contact center managers. Now, over the years, we've received feedback from hundreds of these managers around the world, and they've been incorporated into the product to build the solution I'm going to show you today. And today, we continue to design product improvements and expansion in partnership with our customers. So what you'll see is a true multimedia routing engine for voice, email, chat, web callback, fax, SMS, social media, right through to communications-enabled business process such as activity queuing, IVR, and all forms of process automation. As I show you the product, I want to focus on the key business requirement for a contact center manager, and that is that they must manage and balance their resource, the contact center representative, with the most critical metric of almost any contact center, and that's customer satisfaction. Zeacom Communication Center, or ZCC, gives them the tools to do this, as I'll show you. Let's take a look at a product demonstration, and the best way to view the product is via Agent Desktop. It really is a great tool for contact center managers, team leaders, supervisors, and agents alike to see a real-time view of what's happening in the contact center, which agents are logged in, who's on a break, how many calls are in the queue, and also important things such as dynamic metrics, which are critical for any business, and they can show the number of calls waiting in each queue, which customers are actually waiting in the queue, how many calls has an agent handled today, including their wait time or even their handle time. Now, agent stats principally demonstrate the availability of an agent, including login time, time spent on various breaks, and time away from the phone that was spent on actual job-related tasks. In the Zeacom product, it's known as work time. Now, these all add up to agent occupancy, a really critical metric in the contact center world. Very simply, it's the percentage of available time that an agent actually spent working. Now, real-time stats enable a contact center manager or a team leader to modify their call delivery patterns and also change agents in one queue and potentially redeploy them to another queue. So Agent Desktop is a critical tool for contact centers and businesses alike. Here is a call delivered to the marketing Lync queue. Agent Barbara will take delivery of this based on skills-based routing rules predefined in the separate administrator application. Now, Agent Barbara can clearly see the history of this caller's interactions with the contact center, allowing her to potentially personalize that phone call. Now, this caller has already spoken to the business and a number of agents today, so a logical option that is also provided by ZCC is for a caller to be automatically routed to the last agent that they spoke to, with a timeout built in based on availability. Now, from a customer service perspective, this is really important. At the end of the call, a wrap-up code or pop-up appears, so the agent can define important stats of the call for future reporting. So if you had a marketing campaign, you can actually really dynamically set up a wrap-up template that allows the agent to report on what that call was about, and a really useful statistic, so you can potentially in the future redeploy your funds to a television campaign or a radio or a social media campaign. So wrap-ups are really useful for businesses. Multimedia is becoming an increasingly important part of contact centers' daily requirements. Stats show that the younger generations favor text as a medium in preference to voice, and email in particular is now an expected and often preferred contact offering for most businesses. ZCC's email queuing is specifically designed to offer contact center functionality, such as templates, to encourage consistency and also accuracy and really facilitate response times. Now, when we route an email to an agent, we use the important skills-based routing parameters that you would with a standard voice call. We also have web chat, and we can also route social media interactions so that businesses can really stay on top of what people are saying about their organizations. Now, all the important contact center metrics such as response and handling times are also designed to consistently apply to emails and other queued media such as chat, social media alerts, and SMS. Well, that's a demonstration of just some of the functionality of Zeacom Communication Center. As mentioned, ZCC has been built with the requirements and needs of contact center managers and businesses in mind. The flexibility of our multimedia routing engine, our business intelligence layer, and ease of administration allows businesses to enhance customer service while driving down costs and ultimately allowing them to focus on driving revenue. Let's take a look at the architecture. Now, Zeacom Communication Center employs the Lync UCMA interface to deliver queuing on the Lync platform via trusted conferences. The result is simply that all queue calls are converted into Lync conferences, with the participants on any call being the caller, of course, Zeacom's announce module, and ultimately the agent. This gives ZCC full control of the media, allowing functionality like progress announcements to the caller, including positioning queue or estimated answer time, and also music on hold. It also allows direct manipulation of speech paths of the call, allowing optional assistance from a supervisor, and you can also record the conversation of any call. Thanks for watching the demonstration of Zeacom Communication Center's Microsoft Lync 2010 interoperability. We welcome any questions from the Microsoft community and look forward to working with you in the future. Thank you.